In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Romwe's online shop, a place where alternative clothing finds its true expression. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of how to make your shopping experience seamless and enjoyable. First things first, you need to visit the Romwe website. To do that, open up your web browser and type in us.romwe.com in the address bar. Once you hit enter, you'll find yourself on the homepage of Romwe. It's a vibrant place filled with unique and eclectic pieces that defy conventional fashion boundaries. Whether you're looking for something edgy, quirky, or just plain cool, Romwe brings a diverse range of options that cater to all kinds of personal styles. Now that we're here, let's move on to the next important action on our agenda, navigating to your shopping cart. You'll typically spot the cart symbol somewhere on the top right corner of the web page. It's a recognizable icon that looks like a shopping bag or cart. Give it a click, and it will take you straight over to your current selections. Here is where you'll see the items that you've picked during your browsing session. It's a good idea to review this space carefully. Double check quantities, sizes, and colors, making sure everything is just the way you want it before proceeding to checkout. If there's anything that catches your eye or seems out of place, you can easily adjust it here, whether by removing items, changing quantities, or updating sizes. While you're in the cart, remember to look out for any ongoing promotions or discount codes you might have missed on the homepage. Romwe often has sales or special deals, and by applying a promo code you've discovered, you could snag a great deal and save some money. At this point, you should also check the estimated delivery times to avoid any surprises later on. The delivery time and options vary depending on your location and the shipping method you choose, so it's essential to be aware of these details. If everything looks perfect, the next steps would involve proceeding to checkout, where you'll fill in your shipping information and payment options. However, since our focus today was on navigating the website and reviewing your cart, we won't delve into those just yet. If you'd like a dedicated tutorial on completing your purchase, do let us know in the comments below. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward guide on how to navigate Romwe's website and manage your shopping cart effectively. We hope this has been helpful to you and that you feel ready to explore all of the unique offerings that Romwe has in store. Thank you for watching and happy shopping.